Hey, how's it going? This is the conversion group, and uh, we'll be talking about what we're going to be doing for our iteration going from January 15th to January 28th. This is week 11, and it's also the last iteration of Q4, the last full one. And I'll just go ahead and share our mascot here. It's a cat setting up for the smooth landing. And we're going to smoothly land into the end of Q4. We got some people out. So I'll go ahead and read for Nathan. He's going to be working on launching our platform engineering solutions page. And that's also going to include some cards that are going to go around on the site. And we'll be adding some links to our primary navigation for that. And then the primary focus for him will be removing fetching artifacts from our production builds. So we're going to work on hardening our pipelines to deploy the marketing site. And we're going to remove this artifact fetching because now that we've migrated to the buyer experience repository, we don't need to have those artifacts anymore. And John, he'll be working on moving the Gartner Magic Quadrant page over to Contentful. And that'll be great because then we can reuse that template for future landing pages related to Gartner. We also have a new beta program. And so we'll be launching that page. And then his main focus, also related to hardening our pipelines, will be generating an essential routes list during the build and then providing testing for that. So making sure our homepage, our pricing, some blogs, some solutions, that those pages are generated during the build and then testing. And if they aren't, build fails. And that's going to help reduce some of the 404s that we're seeing. So that'll be it for Nathan and John. I'll pass it over to Marg.
Yep. So for this iteration, I'm going to work on fixing our 404 issues with the blog pages. I'm also going to be working on fixing some of the animations for our GitLab Duo page. And I have a couple of tickets on hold. Our Agile Delivery naming has NEMAR already. So I'm just waiting for a final sign off on that. And I'm waiting on our audit for our footnote links in the pricing page. That's it for me. I'm just going to read for Tina now. Tina's going to be working on that content audit for the pricing page I just mentioned. And she's going to create a parent section for the add-ons, for the add-on section in that FAQ section too. Also, she has the actual audit ticket assigned to her. So that's all related to the FAQ section, the pricing page. Sorry if that's redundant, but that's a lot of work to be done there. Tina's gonna work also in our customer journey mapping on our GitLab page. And she's gonna be working also in emphasizing our privacy and security first approach on key pages on the marketing site. Tina's also gonna be working in improving the customer experience with quantum metrics. And I think this is ongoing work. She's gonna continue working on the code suggestion update. Yep, and I think that's it for Tina's board. I'm gonna pass it back to Lauren.
All right, here we go. Last full iteration of Q4.